us are seen, sipping on our coffee dreams. Every sip a story to unfold. In these tides of brown and gold, countless moments left untold.